guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've heard of something called 30 Days of Code. So 30 Days of Code is a YouTube tutorial series I created on YouTube, and it basically shows you the basics of programming, what it means to be a software developer, how do you code, what is coding. If you're watching 30 Days of Code, you probably don't know what a programming language is, or what an SDK is, or what an IDE is. You don't even know what to Google yet. And software development includes a lot of Googling. But those videos, they're getting pretty old, and a lot of you have been asking, is there going to be a 30 Days of Code Python? Or is there going to be a 30 Days of Code C#? Or is there going to be a 30 Days of Code X? Right now, no. Recently, you've probably noticed I've been creating less tutorial type content on YouTube, and that's because I've been partnering with a company called LinkedIn Learning. And so LinkedIn Learning, I'm like obsessed with them. They are incredible to work with, and I partner with them to create various programming courses. Here on YouTube, it's me and a camera. I do all of the content, all of the editing. I'm working on getting an editor. It's a one-man show, as it is for a lot of YouTubers out there. And when I partner with LinkedIn Learning, their resources are incredible. Like, they have a studio, they have producers, they have editors, they have people to revise the scripts I write. Most of the work I do is on the content. So it's writing the scripts, it's presenting the content, so I'm the one teaching on camera. If there's a video of coding, I'm the one writing the code. The content, the code, all of that, I create it, and then I get to work with LinkedIn Learning to make it the best it can absolutely be. On YouTube, I kind of get no feedback and do whatever I want, but with LinkedIn Learning, the content is revised, edited, and made to be the best it can be, created in a way that's efficient for you to consume. So while I won't be creating a new 30 Days of Code and I won't be revising that series, it'll stay on YouTube, but the next best things are my courses on LinkedIn Learning. And I have a ton of courses out there. We have a Learning Java course where you learn the basics of the Java programming language. We have a Python 3 standard library course where you learn about what's built into the Python language without importing any external libraries or frameworks or any of that. We have a data structures course where you learn about arrays, queues, stacks, linked lists, all of that good stuff in the context of any language. And that, I love that course. That was probably my favorite to create. Then we also have a course where if you are not ready to step into the code yet, maybe you have a friend that doesn't really know what software development means, this is the course you watch. It's about how to think like a technologist or think like an engineer, and what engineers and technologists and software developers and programmers, what we think about when we're getting ready to code, or we're thinking about a problem and what solutions can come of it. There's also a C# debugging course where we basically talk about debugging, and we do apply it to C#, but a lot of the course is about debugging in general. And so if you want to learn how to get rid of errors in your code and how to debug, that's a great course for you. If you're interested in checking it out, LinkedIn Learning, it's on LinkedIn, which is acquired by Microsoft, and essentially it's a subscription service. And so you subscribe and you don't only get access to my content that I've created for LinkedIn Learning, but you get access to a ton of content that a lot of other people are creating, and it's made professionally through LinkedIn Learning. So you'll be able to learn about, say you've always wanted to know about Photoshop or InDesign or even other programming languages or marketing or Facebook Insights. There's a lot of different courses out there, and I promise you'll learn a lot. Right now, although 30 Days of Code was really popular, and I'm very thankful for you guys watching it, it doesn't make a whole lot of AdSense. And so if you really want to support me as an educator, as a teacher, as someone that is creating tutorial content, I would really appreciate it if you click down below. There's a referral link, and then also a link with all of the other courses I've created. Check it out, watch the previews. If it works, if you think it would be interesting to you, go ahead and check it out. If you watch the previews and you feel like it's not for you, that's fine too. But I'd really appreciate you checking it out and seeing if it works for you. Thank you so much for watching this whole update of what I've been working on and why and all that good stuff. If you've liked what I've recently uploaded to YouTube, I really have been experimenting with the platform and with what type of technology content you can create besides tutorials, and can you create merging content of tutorial but vlog and other things. And so if you like that type of stuff, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and happy coding!